If you've ever wanted to start reselling name brand items legally, this is the video for you. Today, I'm going to be going over what authorized reselling is, the paperwork you need to become an authorized reseller, and how to get approved by name brand reputable American brands. I've been able to scale my store to $46,000 in sales so far using this exact model, so today it's your turn to get started. So first things first, what even is authorized reselling? Authorized reselling is exactly as it sounds. You're getting authorization from a reputable brand, usually in the United States or in whatever country you're located in, and you're getting their legal permission to sell their items online. To further explain how authorized reselling works, I love to give the Walmart analogy, which if you've ever been in any of my TikTok live streams, I'm live every single day, twice a day at Tyler Bulls Continued. You guys have heard this analogy before. Basically, you know how you can go into a Walmart and buy a Samsung TV, even though Walmart didn't buy Samsung and also didn't create that TV? It's because Walmart has permission from Samsung to resell their items. Walmart has agreed to handle the customer service and the marketing, getting people into the doors, while Samsung just gets to sit back, manufacture the item, and ship it out to the customers. More examples of well-known authorized resellers include Amazon, Wayfair, which is a huge one, and even Home Depot. So yes, when we are authorized resellers, we don't have to worry about fulfillment and we don't have to worry about shipping. We also don't have to worry about inventory. Our manufacturers handle all of that for us. We just handle the customer service and the marketing. If you want to learn more about how we market the items, then you need to watch this video right here. I show you how to set up Google standard shopping ads, which is what we use, and what they look like. So go ahead and check that out. Now let's talk paperwork. So what exactly do you need to be an authorized reseller? Well, first off, you're going to need a business license or an LLC. Some form of paperwork that shows you are allowed to legally sell to customers in your state of business, okay? Usually, you will want to do a sole proprietorship. A sole proprietorship simply just means you're the only business owner. You're not working with a business partner, you don't have any employees, and you can use your social security number as your tax ID number for this entity. Now, if you want more help with this, make sure you DM me on TikTok at Tyler Bulls Continued or on Instagram at TBContinuedYT. The next bit of paperwork you're going to need is pretty specific to this business model. It is called a reseller's permit. It's also called a sales and use tax certificate. It's also called a sales and use exemption document. It has many different names, but it goes by the ST-4 code on your government site. It is super easy to obtain this reseller's permit, and all you need to do is go on Google and look up how to get one in your respective state. Some states don't even need a reseller's permit, so you're going to have to look that up. Just make sure that whenever you are getting a piece of paperwork for your business, you are getting it off of a .gov site. Do not get scammed. Make sure the end of the website you are getting your legal business paperwork from ends in .gov. Now that we got all the boring stuff out of the way, let's talk about what you need to do next if you want to start an authorized reselling store. Obviously, the first thing you're going to do is design your store. You're going to have to build your store using the app that we use called Shopify, which I'm sure you've heard of it before. You design the store using Shopify, and then after that, you're going to want to add what we call dummy products. Once you add these dummy products to the store, it makes it look like your business is already established and you're not brand new. This is a key part to building your store because before you reach out to the brands, you want to make sure you have items on the store so that you already look established so that they're more likely to want to partner with you. If you don't know where to start and you are just lost, you don't know how to use Shopify, you don't know how to build a store, make sure you reach out to me on TikTok at Tyler Bulls Continued. I will build your store for you for simply $40. Just $40, okay? Less than your DoorDash last week. Once your store is designed, all you have to do is research who your competitors are, find out what brands they're reselling for on their stores, and contact these brands directly. You usually want to go with over the phone contact rather than emails because emails get ignored easily. When you reach them on the phone, all you want to say is, "Hi, my name is Tyler. I'm the owner of such and such business, and we specialize in selling this niche. How can we become an authorized reseller of your products?" They are going to point you in the right direction. Always remember, closed mouths do not get fed. Make them give you an answer, whether it be a yes or a no. Do not get left unheard, do not get left unseen, none of that. Now, after watching this super helpful video, you may be thinking, well, what do I do next? What I want you to do is leave a comment on this video saying what niche you think you'd like to sell so that I can tell you if I think it's a good idea or not. I also want you to check out this video which shows you how to do product niche research so that you can get started as soon as possible. I hope you all enjoyed this video and make sure you stay consistent, grinders. See you in the next one.